Good day, this is Arna Bantaw. Another video meron ako i-share sa inyo. One of my ka-workmate nag-share siya ng link regards dito sa Atomic Card, which is this is a credit card. Ito yung nilalaman, exciting news. Atomic Card offers flexible installment plans, spending limit up to 200,000 plus charge to win iPhone 15. After you apply, try it now. And ito yung link. In regards naman dito sa Atomic Card, nakikita ko na rin ito sa FB na kung saan meron siyang button na to apply now. And susubukan ko kung makakapasa ako dito and ma-aprobahan ang pag-apply ko dito ng credit card dito sa Atomy. Kung interested ka malaman kung paano tayo mag-apply, samahan nyo pa ako till the end. Inipapakita ko po yung process kung paano mag-sign up regards sa Atomic Card. Aking YouTube channel, nagsishare ako ng tutorial and reviews regards sa mga free earning app. And this is the video that I'm going to create in regards on how to apply a credit card sa Atomic Card. Kung gusto nyo po magpatuloy, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, click the subscribe button, kalimbahin mo na notification bell para updated ka sa pin-upload yung video. And tatap ko na yung link and mapupunta na ako dito. And this is the site, Atomic Card. Register to claim spins to win an iPhone 15. And ilalagay ko lang dito yung aking mobile number to register para magpatuloy sa application. Ilalagay ko lang yung aking mobile number. And scroll ko lang pababa. Ito yung step on how to get an Atomic Card. The first one, register your interest on this page. Download the Atomy app. Apply for free on the app. Get approved for a virtual and physical card. In short, ito yung steps kung paano tayo makakuha ng credit card dito sa Atomy. So, sundan lang natin itong steps. Para magpatuloy sa application dito sa 639, i-input ko lang yung aking mobile number and itatap ko lang si register. And wait ko lang yung OTP code na magsisend sa aking mobile number. Na-input ko na yung aking mobile number OTP. Verification will send to my mobile number. And wait ko lang yung OTP code na masasend sa aking mobile number. And kapag once na dumating, i-enter lang yung OTP code, which is bago matapos yung countdown, dapat na ilagay na yung OTP code. And i-input ko muna yung OTP code. After ko ma-input yung OTP code, it says here registration is successful and get the app now. Okay, tatap ko lang si get the app now para ma-download ko yung application na Atomy app. And mapunta ko dito sa App Store and Atomy PH Buy Now Pay Later. Okay, so 4.8 ang kanyang rating and tatap ko lang si get now para ma-upload itong application na Atomy PH. Ang Atomy is a card installment and the cash loan. And regards naman sa Atomy, pay later anywhere and zero interest on monthly spending with your pay later and get up to 200,000 spending limit. And then manage your account within 3 to 6 installment, which is ang duration is 3 to 6 months lang. Medyo maiksi kasi usually kapag once na umutang tayo, merong 1 year or 2 years. And another services naman is that cash instantly add up to 50,000 to your funds with Atomy PH. Enjoy as low as 1.75 interest on the cash loan. Okay, ready for a boost, just an Atomy it. Since na-upload ko na yung Atomy PH, tap ko na si open and tatap ko lang si allow. Para magpatuloy sa application na Atomy PH, tatap ko lang si next and get started. Always be in the know. And andito na ako, log in or register. Ilalagay ko ulit dito yung aking mobile number. After ko ma-input yung mobile number, tap ko si next and i-wait ko dumating yung OTP verification. Uulitin ko, which is verification failed, please try again. Na-receive ko na yung OTP code and i-input ko na lang dito yung 4-digit na Atomy. After that, makapunta ako dito, create secure passcode, which is gagawa tayo ng passcode hanggang 6 character. And tap ko si next. And confirm your secured passcode. Kung anong ginawa ko, i-input ko yung aking passcode. And security verification required. Please complete the security verification to stay logged in. Verify me. And the next step, please make sure your entire face is clear. Start facial verification. I-verify yung aking mukha. And then, ipoposition ko lang yung aking mukha para ma-detect by this application na Atomy PH. Ano ba yan? Kinakailangan ma-enable yung aking face. Tatap ko lang si enable now para hindi na ako mag-input ng aking passcode. And enter your secure passcode. Alright, and then tap ko lang si allow. And napunta na ako dito. Pay in 3 or 6 months. Pay later anywhere. Apply for free. So, pag nag-apply tayo dito, is free dito sa Atomy PH. And regards naman sa Atomy, ito yung mga lahat na nilalaman. 0 interest down to 3 to 6 months. And sa baba, andun yung apply now. And susundan natin yung instruction on how to apply. And number 1, submit your application via Atomy app. Number 2, use your virtual card to online. Once application approved, get started instantly with or free physical card to be delivered to your doorstep. Use your Atomy card to pay online and in store anywhere. And tatap po lang si apply for free. And ito naman yung mga design ng card ng Atomy. And the next one, need a physical card. And dito sa baba, tap ko lang si agree to continue my application. And to move to other step, tatap lang yung agree and tap lang si next. Allow while using this app. Siyempre, tatap lang si allow. Next instruction, get your ID ready for verification as it helps. As to confirm your identity, first is requirement you're taking on ID. So, sundan natin yung instruction. And the last one is fit your ID on the frame. And tatap lang po natin si take photos with the camera. To continue, take photo and then identity type. Kung ano yung ID, ang napili ko is humid. And ipi-place ko lang yung aking ID on the frame. Hindi ko na ipapakita kasi this one is really personal and have a security, ganon. And na-capture ko na. And the next one, back of humid card naman. Yun yung aking iti-take. And we'll take a photos on the back of my ID and tatap ko lang si confirm. Okay. So, naka-indicate na yung mid card and then mabilis lang. Kapag once na na-input na natin yung ating ID, automatically maka-capture, ma-indicate na agad yung mga number and then konting na lang, tatap ko lang si title. Syempre, lalaki, Mr. And kung ano man yung nakita nyo na pipill upan, ilalagay lang dito in edit the address. Ilalagay lang po natin dito kung ano yung ating address. And mamili lang tayo based on this. Kinakailangan tama yung ating in-input dito ng mga data sa pag-apply ng Atomy card. And kapag once na okay na, tatap lang po natin dito si save sa baba. And before ma-submit, i-review lang yung mga information na na-input sa application dito when it comes sa pag-fill out. And the next step, personal information, basic information, nationality, country of birth, place of birth, mother's maiden first name, mother's maiden name, email address, and then education, character reference, work information, and employment types. All of these ay ipipill out natin yan. And kapag once na okay na, tap lang po natin si next. And since we're living in the Philippines or Pilipinas, ang ating nationality is Philippines and then personal information. Tapos na and then character reference. And dito sa character reference information, ilalagay lang pangalan ng character reference na ginamit natin. And then the mobile number ng character reference. And then kapag once okay na, tatap lang po natin si next sa baba. And remember, kung ano yung mga data na hinihingi, ay ipifill out natin dito. And the next one, sa personal information which is sa employer naman, ilalagay lang po natin kung ano yung mga data na hiningi when it comes sa ating pinagtatrabahuan. And also na sa employment, and tatap na lang si next. And the next one is that send me a physical card, printed my name, and then yung mailing address ko. Since na malayo yung Caloocan, bibihira lang pumunta, i-address ko na lang ito kung saan ako malapit. Since na palagi ako nasa work, araw-araw, sa work ko na lang ipapasend yung physical card regards ng Atomy. Kapag once okay na, tap lang si next and then confirm. Please confirm that the mailing address for smooth physical card delivery. Okay, so tatap lang si confirm. And hindi pa pala tapos, let's start the facial verification scan. No glasses, no hats or headscarves. Fit your face in the frame and get enough light. Okay. And tap ko lang si start verification. Okay, I'm going to place my face on the circle. Alright. And ito yung lumabas, your application is under review for 3 days. You may check the status of application in the page and it will be notified via email once your application is approved. Okay, so bini-verify pa yung aking application toward to the Atomy card na credit card. Since na other process pa, and makikita nyo dito sa verification, sa identity, sa information, and the facial verification is umiikot pa. So, ibig sabihin, under process pa yung aking application dito sa Atomy card. I will notify you kapag once my development na regards to my application dito sa Atomy card. Hoping nakapabigyan ka ng knowledge kung paano mag-apply and mag-fill out sa Atomy card, credit card, loan. If you like on this, do it thumbs up, like and share. Kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, click the subscribe button, galimbay mo na notification bell para updated ka sa may na-upload yung video. This is Arn Abantao. Keep on watching. See you on my next update toward to the Atomy card kapag once ma-approve yung aking application. Kung ma-approve niya ba ang aking application or hindi. Thank you for watching.